What's up guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I will show you a scalping strategy that helps you to turn $100 into $30,000 within the next few months. If you want to know how you can do this too, make sure to not skip the video and see how the strategy works. The strategy will work in any time frame and on any market. For our backtesting purposes, we will use the Euro US dollar market and the 1 minute time frame. Also, we will use the normal candles. And I would say let's start right away with the setup. For our strategy, we only need two different indicators. So let's start to load them in. We click over here on indicators, and the first indicator we type in is the normal moving average exponential. We load this one in. And the second indicator we can also type in as well is the smoothed heikin ashi from Sam X. We load this one in as well. We can close this page here and let's do some setup changes. For our EMA, we go over here to the settings and we will change the length from 9 to 200. And if you want, you can click on into the style section and make the line a little bit more visible. I like it in white and do it a little bit thicker. Click OK and we are good to go. Let's do the same with the smoothed heikin ashi candles. So basically you can leave all like it is. So in the input section you don't need to do anything. In the style section you can change maybe some colors if you like. The only thing that you can disable is the labels on price scale, as we don't need this. We can click on OK and we are good to go with our first trade. Let's start now with our trading rules for a long trade. So let's write them down quickly. So for a long trade, the first thing that we want to have is that our price is trading above our 200 EMA. This is the first thing that we need to validate. Then the second one is that the smoothed heikin ashi candles has to turn white, so like this. Then this will be our entry signal. So as you can see, maybe over here, right over here, we have a trend which is above our 200 EMA. The price is more or less in a correction, so it is coming down. Right over here, it is turning white for the very first time. This candle is closing, so at the next candle, we will open our position. We will put our stop loss at the recent swing low, and we have a risk-reward ratio of 2. Then we can keep the trade running, and as you can see, within the next few minutes, we already hit our target. So let's write this down as well. So the stop loss will be below the recent swing low, or alternatively, you can also go below the heikin ashi candles. Maybe if you don't have a recent swing low, then you can also use this one. So, but right over here, you can choose if you want to put your stop loss right over here, or maybe also over here. I decided this time to put it here at the recent swing low with a risk reward ratio of 2, and then we are good to go. And as you guys can see, this trade turned out pretty well. So these are our simple rules for a long trade. Now we also have to take a look into a short position. So also here we will write down our trading rules pretty quick. So for a short trade, we want our price is trading below our EMA. Second, we want the smoothed heikin ashi candles has to turn, let's say, red. I mean, it's purple to be honest, but I write down red. I mean, you can change the color if you like. Then also here the same, we will put our stop loss, in this case above the recent swing low, or alternatively you can put it above the heikin ashi candles. So write it down like this. These are our trading rules for a short trade. I will put it over here. And let's take a look into some examples. So as you guys can see over here, we are below the 200 EMA. Then this one is turning purple. So we will open our trade over here. In this case, this one would be our recent swing low. So we can put this right above over here. Then we have a risk reward ratio of 2. We will keep the trade running, and here we go. We hit our target. So this is also a very good example for a short trade. These are now our trading rules. As you can see, they are very simple to follow. Let's start now with our backtesting. This time we will look at an entire week. So we can, at the end, we will see how much profit we are able to make with this strategy within 1 week. And also we will see how many signals we get and how many trades we have done. So let's start now our backtesting, and then I would say we will see us back again with the results. We have now finished our backtesting, and within this week we have tested the strategy. We had a total trades of 69, so we got 69 entries. From our 69 trades, we had 47 wins and 22 losses, which gives us a win rate of 68% and a profit of 305% or $305, as we had our initial capital of $100, as you can see right over here. Our maximum consecutive wins were 7 in a row, and our maximum consecutive losses were 4 in a row, with a profit factor of 4.27. Our average win, as you can see, were 4%, the average loss 2%, as we always traded with the same amount of risk. Our maximum drawdown were 7.76% from our 4 consecutive losses. But I would say you can see that this strategy is highly profitable, as you have to keep in mind that this is from only 1 week. If you now take a look into a calculation I have made for you, when you go and continue this every week, then you would be in the first week at $300, then in the second already at $900, in the third at $2,700, and so on and so forth. And within 2 months, you can trade your $100 into $500,000 or even above. I know that this is a very theoretically, as nobody of us is trading all the time, but I just want to show you what would be possible with this strategy. And I mean, the $500,000 would be then maybe within 10 weeks when you go realistically. But I would say that this strategy is still very profitable. I just wanted to show you this quick calculation. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so far, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to not miss out any other video and any other strategy that I will show you. As always, if you have a strategy that you want to make, or that you want to have tested, or that you want to share with the community, write it down in the comments and I will make a video about this one shortly. I hope you enjoyed the video, so see you in the next time and see you soon.